How's it going, everybody? I'm just standing here by my toolbox. Gonna bring you a video. There really hasn't been a whole lot going on around the farm, so it's been kind of quiet with all this cold weather and all this snow. A lot of it's starting to melt, and we're making that final push to get things ready to go. And I got to hook onto the disc and the chisel plow and make sure they're ready to go. Everything should be good with the disc. I got some new, let's see here. Got some new points that I'm putting on the plow. That'll be in probably the next video. But just want to thank everybody for, I've been doing a lot of review videos. Like I said, I could be doing like a feeding video, but it'd be the same thing every single time, and I don't want to do that. But I want to thank everybody for all the thumbs up and all the likes and all the comments on the review videos. I'm glad you guys like that. We have the dump truck. We've been, I'll turn the light off here. We've been slowly cleaning up this shop, storage / shop part. Looks like a bomb went off in there. I don't even like showing it because it drives me insane. But we've been slowly but surely cleaning things up. But anyway, we're standing here at the dump truck, and for anyone that's watched my channel for a while, you know this has been a good dump truck. It's only a 10-foot box on it, little 5-speed split rear end. Got a 5.9 Cummins with only, it's only got 108,000 miles on it, so geez, it's got like nothing on it. It is a great truck. But when we got this when we had the 4420, and it was a good little match between the 4420 and this. However, with the 9500, little too small. So we were at an auction the other day, and saw a cabin chassis truck. It used to be a propane tank truck, and they took the tank off it, so it's just a cabin chassis truck now. And thought it looked pretty good, and it went low enough that we decided to put some bids on it, and ended up picking it up. So we're gonna go pick that up right now. I'll show you guys that right now.
Push these onto the door.
Yep. Oh, he's gonna put both of them on?
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's see how you did, buddy. Oh, nice job.
Done.
Got them both on?
Yep.
All right, so.
I'm gonna have to. Wait, hold on.
Gotta get it unlocked first.
All right, let's fire this up. Put this here. Wait to start, wait to start. So yeah, not a bad looking truck. It's got an automatic, which I don't know, I'd rather have a manual, but it is what it is. It's got some things we got to do to it, but like I said, got it for a pretty good deal. It's got an engine brake, which is nice, especially when we start getting on some of these hills. But looks pretty clean, in good shape. Didn't have an incredibly high amount of miles. It's got a stack on the side. We could probably get a 14, maybe a 15-foot green box on there. So yeah, so that's the new addition with that. I got some other stuff to show you guys, so I'm just gonna run in the barn quick and see if my daughter's in there. So she was in there petting the cows. I gotta go touch base with her. Let's go see the cows. You with Faith? Mm-hmm. And why do you call her Faith? Oh, perfect girl.
Big F on the forehead.
She looks like she's got an F on her forehead there, huh?
Yep. So I gotta have to come up with something that's out with F.
Yeah.
That's out of face. Because it's very faceable.
I know. She's something, huh? So let's feed a newborn a bottle now. Here. baby girl. Hey, babe. You little coat on, huh? Quick. So it's always good to see the cows, but right now I'm gonna go show you guys my brother taking Manure out. I flew the drone, so I don't even think he saw us coming. So here's my brother taking Manure out right now. So what he's doing is he grabs a scraper that he keeps on the spreader, and he's going to be scraping all the manure that was on the door of the manure spreader. That way you don't get a big buildup and you get a good seal and everything closes and opens like it should. So I hope you guys have just enjoyed this thrown together random video from the farm. Stay tuned and we'll see what the progress with this truck is. Hopefully it all works out well. It's always a gamble when you buy something used and especially at auctions. But hopefully this works out for us. But anyway, thumbs up if you like this video. Drop me a question or comment below. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you have, thumbs up to you. I totally appreciate it. I will see you guys next time. Have a good one, everybody.